Plan every gift, track your spending, and keep your whole holiday organized in one simple Google Sheets template. Hey lovely! Welcome to my channel. I'm so happy you're here. Today, I'll show you how to set up and use your Christmas gift tracker, step by step. Type your holiday name, choose the event date, select your currency, and enter your total gift budget. Next, add the people you're planning gifts for. Enter each recipient's name and address in the setup area. This keeps their details together and makes them easy to use while planning gifts and cards. Use category to group your recipients, such as family, relatives, partner, or kids. Add the shops or websites you normally use. Choose your gift status options and set your preferred delivery methods. Now let's go to the main gift tracker. This is where you'll keep track of all your gifts. Start by choosing the recipient. Select a category. Add your gift idea and enter the shop. Add the link here so it's easy to find it later. Next, choose the current gift status. You can quickly see which gifts you still need to buy, which ones are purchased, and which ones still need to be wrapped or sent. Enter the planned budget for the gift. Then add the actual cost after you purchase it. The amount left updates automatically, so you can quickly see whether you're staying within your budget. Quick note, if you don't have this template yet, you'll find the link right below this video. Choose how the gift will be delivered, in person, by shipping, or by email. Once the gift has been delivered, simply check the box. Once you've added your gifts, scroll back to the top. Your dashboard updates automatically. You can quickly check your budget, spending, remaining balance, and gift progress. Below the charts, you can see your gift progress. Check how many gifts are purchased, still need wrapping, have been sent or delivered. This makes it easy to see what's done and what's left. Next, open the Card Tracker tab. This section helps you keep all your holiday cards in one place. Add the recipient's name, choose a category, enter the address, and select the delivery method. Once the card is sent, simply check the box. As you add and send your cards, the summary at the top updates automatically. You can quickly see your total cards, how many are sent, and how many are still left. The final planning section is your task manager. At each task you need to complete, choose the date. And check the box when the task is finished. At the top, the summary updates automatically as you complete your tasks. You can quickly see the total number of tasks, how many are left, completed, or overdue. Quick tip: you can use this tracker for more than just Christmas. Change the holiday name or categories and reuse it for Easter, Secret Santa, Halloween, or any other gift-giving occasion. And that's it, you're all set. I hope this was helpful. Save this video so you can come back to it. And drop a comment below. Which part of holiday planning takes the most time for you? Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more templates and quick tutorials. See you next time.